Welcome to our live show, guys. Welcome. We're doing holdings. Welcome to our live show. Today our topic is palm oil processing equipment. We have different skills palm oil production line. I will introduce for you our 3D video. If you want to learn about palm oil processing, palm oil production process or palm oil production line equipment, you could enter our live show and I will introduce for you our topic. Our company is doing holdings. We have 50 years experience in manufacturing palm edible oil production equipment, and our company has its own factory and engineer. So if you have any question or if you have any need, you could enter our live show. I will introduce for you. Welcome guys to our live show. Or if you are interested in our equipment for our process, you could give us a follow, and you could get next start information. This video is palm oil production line. Its processing capacity is 1 ton per hour for installation palm oil production line. It don't need more area, and it could save installation time, and it has completely equipment could give you good quality of crude palm oil. Welcome guys, welcome to our live show. Welcome to our live show. We are doing holdings. Our company is mainly produce edible oil production equipment. Hello, thanks for your support. Welcome to our live show. Today our topic is palm oil processing equipment. If you have any question, if you have some need about palm oil, soybean oil, rapeseed oil, and other edible oil production equipment, you could enter our live show or add as contact information in comment area. There has our contact information, our WhatsApp number, WeChat number, and the other contact information. We could arrange right sales manager for you, give you customization. Okay, this video is 1 ton per hour palm oil production line. The palm oil production line includes sterilization, threshing, digesting, pressing, clarification, and vacuum drying. This step. This is sterilizer. The iron sheet tank, and we will use this tank to cook fresh palm fruit bunches. The purpose of this step is make the palm fruit bunches soften and easier to threshing. Each sterilization tank has 4 food cage, and we will use a hot wiper to cook fresh palm fruit bunches. Need 90 minutes to 120 minutes. Second step threshing. This is a thresher. It is drum type thresher. It is 2.5 meters so long, so palm fruit bunches can stay inside and become more cleaner. After threshing, the palm fruit falls down into the conveyor and then transported to the this is a digester. Destroy the palm fruit, destroy the structure of palm fruit, and then the palm fruit falls into the presser. Okay, this is the presser. The presser is below, and this in the palm fruit. In the palm oil production line, we always use double screw palm oil presser. The double screw presser has bigger processing capacity, and the oil residue is less, and it has higher degree of automatic. After pressing, we could get the crude palm oil, but the inside has many impurities, such as pure fiber, mud, and the other impurities. So next step is clarification. And this picture, in this picture, the tank is a clarification tank. In our common area, there has our phone number. Wait a moment. Welcome to our live show. Welcome, guys. Our company is mainly produced for can you hear me? Now, could you hear me? Wait a moment. Sorry. Hello? Could you hear me now? Hello, could you hear me? Welcome to our live show. Hello? Guys, if you have any question, you could type them on comment area. Oh, okay. It might be due to poor network connection. Okay, let's continue. Today our topic is palm oil processing machine. This video is showing the 1 ton per hour palm oil production line. It is for installation. If you have any question, you could type them on comment area. Our company is mainly produce for edible oil production equipment, palm oil, corn oil, soybean oil, rapeseed oil, cottonseed oil, and other vegetable oil production equipment, and a single machine or production line, or we can provide for you. And our company has its own factory and engineering team. Okay, this picture is showing the clarification machine. This is a clarification tank, and this is a vibrating screen. It could filter out the impurities of the crude palm oil. This vibrating screen inside has 2-layer filtering screen. And the last clarification machine is this plate filter. It inside has 9-layer field close, so it could filter out the small fiber, the small impurities. So after the 3 machine, we could get cleaner crude palm oil. And the last machine, this tank, is a vacuum dryer. In this vacuum dryer, in this tank, the crude palm oil will be heat to boiling. Then the inside moisture will become hot vapor and go up to the water jet pump, then force down for collection. Okay, guys, if you have any question about our equipment, about our company, you could type them on comment area. Our assistant, my assistant could reply for you. And today our topic is palm oil production line, palm oil equipment. We have different skills. Palm oil machine. The last video is a 1 ton per hour for installation palm oil production line, and this video is 1 to 2 tons per hour palm oil production line. The equipment is more completely and could give you better efficiency and better quality of palm oil. Okay, first step still is sterilization, but the sterilizer is different. The last sterilizer just a simple arrow-shaped sterilizer. This sterilizer is a hydraulic door. Has a hydraulic door, don't need worker to control. And the sterilization time is less, just need 60 minutes to 90 minutes. Could save you production time. Welcome guys to our live show. Welcome guys. Now I'm showing the palm oil production line, palm oil equipment. If you have any question, guys, or if you are interested in palm oil, in edible oil equipment, you could enter our live show, and I will introduce for you. Welcome. Good afternoon, guys. Okay, the palm oil production process. The second step is threshing. In threshing, we will use this drum type thresher to remove palm fruit from the palm fruit bunches. During threshing, the palm fruit will fall into the conveyor below. Then the palm fruit will be transported to the digester through bucket elevator. This is our digester. It is a vertical digester. Because of its structure, the palm fruit can stay inside longer time and could destroy the palm fruit. During digestion, little cool palm oil will flow out. This is a oil connect tank. It could oil collection tank. It could collect the crude palm oil. Okay, this is our double screw palm oil presser. In the production line, we always use the double screw presser. It inside has a hydraulic pump station and a reducer and the tool. So during worker to control, you could use a double screw pump oil presser in production line. You also could use it. You also could buy a single machine to press the palm oil. Okay, this step is clarification. The first machine is a vibrating screen, and this is a clarification tank. The crude palm oil pump into from the middle and lower part. In this tank is settling, and after settling, the impurities could force down the lower part. So the upper part oil will be cleaner. So in the upper part, we design this is an overflow device. The upper part clean oil can be pumped out always. Welcome guys to our live show. Guys, if you have any question, you could enter our live show and I will introduce for you. Next machine still is this plate filter. Okay. After the After heating, the crude palm oil could be pumped to the oil storage tank for storage, and next you could to refining it become the crude palm oil become the signal is not good now. Guys, could you hear me? Guys, could you hear me? Wait a moment. Okay. In this 5 times palm oil production line, the difference with the last production line first is the transport machine. In this production line, we set the inclined conveyor to transport the machine, to transport the palm fruit bunches. So in the workshop, don't need equip more worker, could save you labor cost. And the second difference is this sterilizer. This sterilizer is a high degrees of automatic sterilizer. It inside not has food cage, and it uses a direct wiper to cook the fresh palm fruit bunches. So it could give you higher efficiency. Just need 60 minutes to 90 minutes. Welcome to our live show. Welcome guys into our live show. We are doing holdings. Our company is mainly produce the edible oil production equipment. Today's topic is palm oil production line. We could provide the palm oil, palm kernel oil machine, and the other soybean oil, rapeseed oil, sunflower oil, cottonseed oil, and the other edible oil production equipment. All we can provide for you, and the whole process machine we all have. Pricing machine, refinement machine, and the fractionation and transition machine, and the other. We have its own factory, and the engineer could give you specialized customization for you. Okay, in the past, I this shows different scales palm oil production line. We have the 1 ton per hour for installation palm oil production line, 1 to 5 tons per hour palm oil production line, and we have the medium and large palm oil production line. Its processing capacity is 10 tons per hour to 120 tons per hour. The different scale palm oil production line equipment configuration is also more complete and advanced. If you are interested in our equipment for our production line, we could provide the customization plan. We could give you selection guide for quotation for you. If you have need, you could type them on comment area, or if you have any question, you also could type them on comment area. I could answer it for you in this live show, or our assistant can reply it for you later. Our palm oil process includes the sterilization, threshing, digesting, pressing, and clarification, vacuum drying. These steps. After this step, we could get the good quality butter effect crude palm oil. Okay. Next, let's see. I will use this picture to introduce the features of our equipment. First, let's see the single machine. Let's see the presser. We have in the palm oil production line, palm oil machine, we have two type palm oil presser. The first is the single screw palm oil presser. Its capacity is 600 to 500 kilogram per hour, and it uses worker to control during the production. So it's suitable for home use, small investor, and starters. But its advantage is it has two power systems. Diesel engine and water system. And next, second type is double screw palm oil presser. In the production line, we always use this double screw palm oil presser because it inside has two screws, and it will relative to each other, and then the palm oil will be discharged by beating. So it could give you higher efficiency, and the oil residual rate is lower. It inside has a hydraulic pump station and a reducer in the tube, so it needs water to control. And its capacity is large. Its capacity is 1 ton per hour to 15 tons per hour. And our factory could product it according to need, according to your capacity. Okay. Next, let's see the production line. First type is a simple palm oil production line. It just needs 6 to 4 machine. First machine is a simple thrasher. It could remove the palm fruit from the bunches, and this simple thrasher, being more cost, could give you higher efficiency. This simple palm oil production line has a processing capacity is 1 to 2 tons per hour. Suitable for home use and the small investors. And the second machine is presser. The single screw palm oil presser, double screw palm oil presser, or you could choose according to need. And last machine is a clarification filtering machine. We could give you a plate filter, or if you want to get cleaner machine, we also could add a vibrating screen to it filter the impurity more completely. And the second type is small scale palm oil production line. Its capacity is 1 to 5 tons per hour. The equipment is very complete. It includes sterilizer, thrasher, digester, and clarification machine, and the vacuum dryer, steam boiler. This production line all have, and this small scale palm oil production line is automatic process. Could give you higher oil yield, high quantity of crude palm oil. Doing more cost could give you high return. Welcome guys to our live show. Our company has 15 years experience in manufacturing edible oil production equipment. If you are interested in our equipment, we could arrange that sales manager for you, and we welcome you visit our company, visit our factory, and has communication with us. Okay. Second, the third type is a medium and large scale palm oil production line. Its capacity is 10 tons per hour to 120 tons per hour. Its machine is more. This production machine is more. Each step machine is more to treat the palm fruit, treat the fruit bunches to reduce the oil residue. And with medium and large scale palm oil production line, whole process uses the PLC automatic control. So don't need a worker, could give you low labor cost. Okay guys, do you have any question about our equipment, about our production line? You could type your need, your question, your capacity on our comment area, and I could answer you, or our assistant could reply it for you later. Or if you want to have a free quotation, configuration plan, or other services, you could find our contact information in comment area. That has our WhatsApp number, WeChat number. Okay. Next, let's see the palm oil refinery line. In the refinery machine, we have 3 types. First type is batch type palm oil production line. It's suitable for small scale plant. This type refining production line has processing capacity is less than 20 tons per day. And its advantage about this type refining machine is it will cover a small area, and operate is easy. Control is easy. And don't need more cost. And it has 2 heating system. You could choose it according to need. First is the electric heating, and the other one is the conduction oil heating. The electric heating processing capacity is 0.5 tons per day to 2 tons per day. And the other one, conduction oil heating, processing capacity is 1 ton per day to 20 tons per day. The second one is a semi-continuous palm oil refining machine. This type capacity is larger, is 5 tons per day to 60 tons per day. So it is suitable for medium scale oil plant. And in the oilization section is carried out continuous. In this section, you need worker to control, so the could give you higher efficiency, the better effect of the refining palm oil, and the quality of palm oil will be better. So, if you refining machine, if your refining plant capacity is medium to large, you could choose the second type. The last one is a fully continuous palm oil refining machine. Its capacity is large, and its capacity is more than 30 tons per day. The whole refining process is fully continuous. The capacity is big, and the efficiency is higher. In the workshop, don't need worker to control, and the effect of palm oil will be better. Okay, these are features of our refining machine. Yes. Do you have any question? Okay, except the palm oil refining machine, we also have the other edible oil refining machine, such as refining soybean oil, rapeseed oil, cottonseed oil, and the other edible oil refining machine, or we could equip it for you and equip it according to your need, according to capacity. We have different process, could give you specialized customization for you. And except the pressing machine, refining machine, the 3-type machine I could give you: the fractionation, dewaxing, and miniaturization machine. The fractionation machine is suitable for palm oil, palm kernel oil, and coconut oil. Could give you different oil products. And the dewaxing machine is suitable for sunflower oil, corn germ oil, rice bran oil, and flaxseed oil. Could make the oil has better flavor, has better color. Could make the quality of these kinds of oil, and Vaporization machine suitable for condensate oil. The purpose of vaporization also is makes the condensate oil has better liquidity. Okay. And if you need the other supporting equipment, the other auxiliary machine, such as a bottle boiling machine, rebridge, oil storage tank, and the filling machine, I could give you according to need. Welcome, guys, to our live show. Welcome. Guys, if you have any question, you could type them on comment area. I will introduce for you. Today our topic is palm oil production machine, such as different scale palm oil production line, the palm oil refining machine, and the palm kernel oil production line. I will introduce for you. And if you are interested for our equipment, you could find our contact information in comment area. There has our WhatsApp number, WeChat number, and we could give you free quotation, configuration plan, and the other services we could do to visit our factory. Our company is located in Henan Province, Central China. Welcome you visit us and have a communication with us. Okay, next let's see the palm kernel oil production machine. First is the palm kernel oil presser. This processing capacity is 500 kilogram per hour. It's suitable for home use. It's also suitable for production line. And the palm kernel oil presser has upgrade, so it has better resistant, and it is automatic. They need worker to control, and it is easy to operate. And if you buy our machine, we could provide the training service. Okay, the next single machine is the palm kernel packing and separating machine. It has 2 processing capacity, 2 to 3 tons per hour, with 4 to 6 tons per hour. The cracking and separating system whole process is the automatic daily worker to operate the step we're in, and the sharing rate is more than 95%. The better effect could reach the 97% or 98%. Okay, this is a palm kernel production machine, single machine. Guys, do you have any question? If you are interested for our equipment, for our process, you could give as a follow. I will live show once every 2 weeks. Give as a follow, then you could get start information next. Okay, next let's see the palm kernel oil production line. The palm kernel oil production line processing capacity is 2 to 3 tons per hour and 4 to 6 tons per hour. The production line equip configuration is this is the cracking and splitting system, and this is a crushing machine. Next is a cooker. The sixth is a palm kernel oil presser, and the last one is a plate filter for filtering. This production machine isn't so many, but could give you better palm kernel oil quality. This is the palm kernel oil production process. First, we need pour into the palm nut in the cracking and splitting system. Next, we could get the cleaner palm kernel, but the palm kernel size is large, so the palm kernel need to be crushing. This crushing machine will press the palm kernel, make it become the 6 to 8 parts, make it size is smaller. Then the palm kernel will be cooked to adjust the palm kernel inside moisture and temperature, make it reach the press state. Then the palm kernel transport into the presser, and the last step is filtering. Remove internal impurities. Then we could get the cool palm kernel oil. And after this production line, if you want to get palm kernel oil refining machine, we also could provide it for you. Okay, guys. After learning about our equipment, if you want to get free quotation, configuration plan, or selection guide, or if you want to visit our factory, these services we could give you. So if you have any need, you could find our contact information in comment area. That has our WhatsApp number, WeChat number, phone number. You could give us a follow or send a private message in background, or send an email for us. My assistant could reply it for you later. Except the palm kernel oil machine, the other edible oil machine we could provide for you, such as the other edible oil presser and the production line, such as the peanut oil production line, soybean oil production line, sunflower oil, rice bran oil production line. All we have. Okay. Last part, introduce our company. Again, our company is doing holdings. Our company is located in Henan Province, Central China, and our company is established in 2011. We have 15 years experience in manufacturing edible oil production equipment, and our company has its own factory and engineer team. We have the overseas warehouse and the branches in Nigeria. So if you want to invest edible oil project in Nigeria, in other country, we can transport our machine to there. Okay, and we welcome you visit us and have a communication with us. Recruit a right sales manager for you. Okay. And today our topic is palm oil production line. In the past, I introduced the palm kernel oil production line, palm kernel oil single machine, the cracking and separating machine. This machine purpose of is cracking palm nut, separate the palm nut shell with the palm kernel, and this is the palm kernel presser. This auxiliary machine only could give you the bottle boiling machine, the bridge oil storage tank, and the large-scale cooking oil filling machine. This part is the refining machine. We have 3 kinds of refining machine: batch type palm oil refining machine, semi-continuous palm oil refining machine, and fully continuous palm oil refining machine. Welcome to our live show. Guys, if you have any question, you could type them on comment area. Our live show will be end, and you could give us a follow. So you could get our start information in next time. Okay, and we have different scales palm oil production line. The medium and large scale palm oil production line, the small scale palm oil production line, and simple palm oil production line. And if you need a single machine, such as a double screw palm oil production line, double screw palm oil process, and single screw palm oil press